There's a saying that goes, a picture is worth 1,000 words. It's hard to express yourself with just text, and that's what emojis are for. Hey guys, it's CJ of Yugatech, and over the years, there have been multiple sets of emojis available for everyone to use. In this video, I, joined by the Yugatech team, are going to rank the most popular emojis to date for your viewing pleasure. So strap those seatbelts in and roll that OBB. There were originally 176 emojis designed by Shigetaka Kurita in 1999 for cell phones and pagers. Now, there are over 3,000 existing emojis to date. In 2023, the 5 most popular emoji platforms in no particular order are from Apple, Facebook, Google, Microsoft, and Samsung. And here's what each look like. This is Microsoft. This one is Samsung. Here's Apple. Here's Google. And this is Facebook. So, moving on to our rankings, we're going to ask the Yugatech team now. So, Miguel, I need you to come here. So, to keep everything unknown and whatnot, everything is under a letter. So, you're gonna rank each letter from 1 to 5. 1 being the best looking one, and 5 being eh.
Okay, I'll zoom in a bit. I'm going for B, then C, then E, then D, then A.
Gotcha. Alright, let's go ask everyone else then.
Okay.
Who's our first JM editor? Hi.
Hi.
I need you to rank each emoji.
C, then the B,
C, B,
C, B, E,
C, B, E.
D, and A.
Thank you. Jose.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hey
What-
man, nice car. What do you do for a living? From number 1, C. Number 2, E. This one's Messenger, I'm pretty sure. I don't know, these all are like Android. Joke lang. Ooh! Okay, so it's C, E,
C, E.
B, D, and A.
Okay.
Why would you even pick A?
You'd be surprised which one that is. Okay, so who shall I next? Yo! You need to rank.
1 for me is
C.
C, D, A,
You have
E,
E and then B.
then last to B.
Okay. Boss? Hi. Can you help with our ranking emoji video?
Like pick a letter lang?
Yeah, you just pick a letter.
I like this.
So E first.
C. And then C because there's a poop there.
C or
I
A
saw
po?
that. A pala A. And ito D.
D for your
C.
fourth. C. So your last is B. Is there a reason?
I look at a few, like 2 or 3 icons that I always use or I think excites me when I use them. And then that's where I base. Everything else
Can
I
we
don't
know
see.
which one are those?
The skull and the ghost and the poop.
I see. Thank you, boss.
Okay.
Earl! Hi. So I need you to rank each emoji.
I'll probably go with C, then E. D is my third. B and A would be my last.
B. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay. Kuya B-boy!
Yo!
I need you to rank each emoji. 1 being
Okay.
the best and 5 is eh.
Well, this is 1.
This is your best or
Yeah,
your
this is
worst?
my best. 2, 3, 4,
3.
and 5.
Okay. Is there a reason why you chose A as your best?
Minimalist. I think it's very minimalist. It's very flat. I'm a very minimalist guy. So this one is just it's like the common emoji designs. So I think this one is the newest. So it's very
Yeah.
flat. So I.
Okay. Thanks, Kuya B-boy. Good luck lang sa work. So, both of you are here. I need you both to rank each emoji.
First is E, second is D, third is C. So it's E, D, C, D, A.
From back, you're going backwards.
Yeah, going backwards.
Someone's being quirky. Okay, is there a reason why you chose E as your number 1?
It's gonna be confidential.
So which one would you rank from 1 to 5?
5,
Oh.
letter E, then
We're going backwards. 4 is
D,
D. Okay.
3,
Is B. Alright, who's your top 2?
top 2.
C. So your number 1
My
is
top
A?
1 is A, because it's somewhat flat and somewhat different.
It is.
in terms of
It does have a
all.
different shade.
Yeah.
Thank you. Kala mo.
B is 1,
B is 1.
A is 2,
Okay.
3,
key?
4 yung C, 5 yung
5 yung D. Oh, okay. The reason why you chose B as your 1?
parang mas, Y yung emoji.
Ah,
It's like it.
fair. Okay. Thank you. Alright, let's go to the next. Alright, I need you to rank each emoji. 1 being the best and 5 being the eh.
Number 1 is C.
Number 1 is C.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's because I'm an iPhone user. you know if it's iPhone, if it's the best emoji, the best looking emoji. B is the second. Third would be, I'll choose D.
You have 2 more between A and E.
E and A.
E and A, okay. Alright, I think that's everyone. To leave everything unbiased, I left what each emoji was what a mystery. Here's how they all turned out. So from our results, our least picked emoji was A, or Microsoft's Swift keyboard. Our number 4 slot goes to D, or Google stock Android emojis. Third place goes to E, or Facebook's emojis. Second goes to B, which just updated this month, being Samsung's One UI 6 emojis. Which leaves our first place going to C, or Apple's iOS emojis. And that's our list. In the end, honestly, it doesn't matter. Design is subjective and anyone can be a critic, but we still want to hear your thoughts. What would you rank each emoji? Got any favorites? Mine personally are like the 2 eye ones. Let us know in the comment below. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of our future uploads. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, X, Instagram, and TikTok, and visit yugatech.com to stay updated with the latest tech news and reviews. Again, I'm CJ, and I'll see you and you in the next one. Bye!